Everyone, good evening to all of you. In the last class, I discussed on the topic winds, direction and related laws. But today, I will discuss on the topic classification of winds. There are two types of winds. Permanent winds are invariable winds and variable winds. Let's see classification of winds. Permanent winds are invariable winds. Invariable winds and variable winds. Variable winds. Let's see permanent winds or invariable winds. Permanent winds. Permanent winds also called planetary winds. Planetary winds. Planetary winds. The winds which blow in same direction throughout the year is called permanent winds. There are three types of permanent winds: trade winds, polar winds and westerly. Permanent winds flow in same direction. Same direction throughout the year. And there are three types of permanent winds: trade winds, polar winds and westerlies. Let's see after all what is trade winds. What is trade winds? Trade winds flow from subtropical high pressure belt to equatorial low pressure belt. Trade winds. Trade winds blow from the subtropical high pressure belt to equatorial low pressure belt from 30 to 35 degree to equatorial low pressure belt. Low pressure belts in the both hemisphere, northern hemisphere and also in the southern hemisphere. The direction of trade winds in the northern hemisphere from northeast to southwest, and in the southern hemisphere from southeast to northwest. And the convergence of these trade winds is called ITCZ. Where trade winds converge, that zone is called ITCZ. And let's see doldrum. Doldrums are found between 0 degree to 5 degree north and south hemisphere. Doldrums are found between 5 degree north and 5 degree south hemisphere. and this zone is also called belt of calm. Doldrum also called belt of calm. Belt of calm. It is about trade winds and let's see equatorial westerlies. Equatorial westerlies. Equatorial westerlies. There is air circulation in the doldrums from west to east. West to east. West to east. In doldrums. In doldrum. Equatorial westerlies flow in the doldrum, and this westerlies is called equatorial westerlies by flown. By flown. Flown has identified that equatorial westerlies flow in the doldrum. In the doldrum, and after let's see westerlies and harsh latitude. Westerlies and harsh latitudes. Harsh latitudes. This is harsh latitude found between 30 to 35 degree north and south hemisphere. 30 to 35 degree north and south hemisphere. In both hemisphere. And in these latitudes, you also know that from equator the winds warm, from equator which winds warm and ascends after ascending, these winds descend on the subtropical high pressure belt. Subtropical high pressure belt. And at this zone, this descending wind is called anticyclones. The descending wind is called anticyclone, and the northern and the eastern and western part of the anticyclones is characterized by the different atmospheric condition. Anticyclones are produced. Anticyclones are produced in this zone. And the eastern and western part of this anticyclone is characterized by different weather condition. And the eastern part of anticyclone is characterized by descending of air winds and dry condition. Eastern part is characterized by descending of air winds. Descending of air and dry condition. And dry conditions. And the eastern part of the anticyclone actually, and the eastern part of the anticyclone is actually the western part of the continent. Western part of the continent. So this eastern part of the anticyclone is the western part of the continent. Western part of the continent. This is why the hot desert are found on the western part of the continent between 30 degree north and 30 degree south latitudes. 30 degree north and 30 degree south latitudes. Hard desert are found on the western coast of the continents. Western part of the continents. Western part of the continent. Let's see the westerlies. What is westerlies? What is westerlies? Westerlies blow from subtropical high pressure belt to subpolar low pressure belt. Westerlies blow from subtropical high pressure belt to subpolar low pressure belt, and subtropical high pressure belt found between 30 to 35 degree, 30 to 35 degree or 25 to 35 degree in both hemisphere. In the both hemisphere. And subpolar low pressure belt found between 60 to 65 degree, 60 to 65 degree latitudes in both hemisphere. Both hemisphere. And the westerlies flow from subtropical high pressure belt to subpolar low pressure belt. And after all, let's see the polar winds. The third type of permanent wind is polar winds. Polar winds. The polar winds flow from the polar high pressure belt to subpolar low pressure belt. Polar winds flow from this pole to subpolar low pressure belt. Polar high pressure belt to subpolar low pressure belt. And the direction of polar winds in the northern hemisphere is from northeast to southwest. Northeast to southwest in the northern hemisphere. And from southeast to northwest. Southeast to northwest in the southern hemisphere. The polar winds flow in the northern hemisphere from northeast to southwest and southeast to northwest in the southern hemisphere. In the next class, we will discuss on the topic in variable winds. Variable winds. The second type of winds is variable winds.